Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the staking section in Trust Wallet and how it works. First, open your Trust Wallet app and tap on the Earn tab. Here, you'll see Native Staking, which lists all the current rates you can earn by staking various cryptocurrencies. What is staking? Staking lets you put your crypto on the blockchain to support the network. While staked, your crypto is locked, meaning you can't sell or move it during that period. The benefit? You earn interest on your holdings. For example, if we tap on BNB, it brings up the staking page. One thing to note is the minimum amount required for BNB. It's one coin, which could cost around $500, $600 depending on the market. Some other coins have lower barriers to entry. Here's how you'd stake. Tap the stake button at the bottom. Enter the amount you want to stake. Choose your validator. These are groups that help secure the network. You can research validators online, but most people pick the one with the highest APY or a reputable name. One great thing about staking BNB is the lock time is only 7 days, so your funds aren't tied up for a month or longer. Important. There are risks involved with staking. Make sure you understand them and do your research before staking your crypto. And that's how the staking section in Trust Wallet works.